Hey guys, this is Chris with True Off-Road. Today I'm bringing you a before and after video about the sound from a stock Gladiator exhaust to the AFE exhaust. I'm going to be installing it a little bit later today, but I wanted to get a bunch of before audio tests. And this is why I'm using my Zoom recorder here. It's a high quality audio recording system, so I'm going to put it in different locations around the Jeep, maybe do some driving. And then I'm going to do the same exact thing once I have the new exhaust on. I think it's going to be a good example of the before and after. You know, I've seen a lot of these videos where maybe it's like someone's phone or just not a really high quality audio device, so it's hard to really know the quality and sound difference. So let's get going. Alright guys, there you have it. This is the comparison between the stock exhaust and the AFE exhaust on the Gladiator. Personally, I really love it. I think it's good. It's a subtle increase in sound and tone. I think it's a lot better. I haven't noticed any drone when I'm driving down the highway or freeway or anything. Sometimes I honestly don't even realize it's on there until you kind of get on the gas, which is good because I didn't want something that was over the top, something you heard all the time, something that was annoying to the neighbors. So I think this was really great. Also, so far, it's only been about 2 weeks, but I'm actually averaging 2 miles per gallon better than I was before. I don't know if this will actually hold up, but so far, that's pretty darn impressive. And yeah, overall, love it. So I'd highly recommend it. It's a pretty cheap upgrade, especially paired with the intake. So I'd go out and do it. Don't forget to like this video, please. It really helps me out. And subscribe for some more content just like this.